Did you know both like and good are expressed with one word in Korean? In this lesson, you will learn how to say what you like and something is good in Korean with one word.
안녕하세요, 아루사입니다. Hi, this is 아루사.
The word we will practice today is 좋아요. 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 Let's practice the verb like first. 좋아해요. Here in 조 is silent. So you say 좋아해요. The base form is 좋아하다. When you say you like something, we change it to 좋아해요. If you like something very much, you say 사랑해요. 사랑해요. There's another expression. If you do love a certain item, you can say 피자는 사랑이죠. Or BTS는 사랑이죠. You love something so much like crazy. Blah blah. 사랑이죠. In Korean sentence structure, you always put the verb at the end of a sentence. You put subject, object, place, time, and then you put the verb. 저는 핑크를 좋아해요. 무슨 색 좋아해요? What color do you like? 무슨 색 좋아해요? 무슨 색? What color? 좋아해요? Do you like? 무슨 색 좋아해요? 저는 핑크를 좋아해요. You can omit this object case and say 핑크 좋아해요. 저는 핑크 좋아해요. Even omit 저를, you can just say 핑크 좋아해요. Sometimes we need 을 or 를 depending on the last syllable before 을, which is object case. For example, if you say 분홍색을 좋아해요. 분홍색, which is pink in Korean. 색, 기억 is the final consonant, so we need 을 to make the pronunciation smooth. 분홍색을 좋아해요. How about black? Is it black을 or black을? Which one sounds smoother? Of course, black을. black을 좋아해요. How about 오렌지? 오렌지를 좋아해요. 오렌지를 좋아해요. Which one sounds more natural? 오렌지를 or 오렌지를? Yes, 를, cause G doesn't have the final consonant. But if you are confused with which one to choose, just say 오렌지 좋아해요, 핑크 좋아해요, black 좋아해요. That's fine. How about making a negative sentence? You put 안 before the verb. 안 좋아해요. 안 좋아해요. I don't like something. 저는 핑크 안 좋아해요. 안, not. 저는 black 안 좋아해요. Easy! How about question? 좋아해요? Raise the last syllable. 좋아해요? 핑크 좋아해요? 네, 좋아해요. black 좋아해요? 아니요, 안 좋아해요. black 안 좋아해요. Easy! You can make a statement, a negative sentence, plus a question with just one form of a verb. Now, like I said earlier, good in Korean is same as like in Korean. 좋아, 좋아. Let's go back to pink is good. 핑크 좋아요. 핑크 좋아요. Let's say you are buying a car and the car dealer suggests a few colors and he asks you, is pink good? And then you can say, pink is good. 핑크 좋아요. 좋아요. So as you see here, like and something is good, both can be expressed with 좋아요. I like pink. 핑크 좋아요. Pink is good. 핑크 좋아요. let's talk about TV shows. 무슨 프로그램 좋아해요? 무슨 프로그램 좋아해요? 저는 한국 드라마를 좋아해요. I like K-dramas. So you put 를, which is an object case, after a noun and say 좋아요. 뉴스 프로그램, 요리 프로그램, 스포츠 프로그램, 음악 프로그램. Which one do you like? 무슨 프로그램 좋아해요? 무슨 음식 좋아해요? 저는 피자를 좋아해요. 피자 좋아해요? Question. 피자 좋아해요? Please answer my question. 저는 피자 좋아해요. 피자 안 좋아해요. Do you think pizza is good for party food? Pizza is good. In Korean, you can say that. What is it? You're right. 피자 좋아. 피자 좋아요. Oh, actually Korean people say 피자 좋아요, not pizza. 피자 좋아요. 피자 좋아 for parties. 저는 갈비탕을 좋아해요. Very healthy and delicious soup with lots of galbi, giant beef rib, ear shells, jujube, ginseng. Tasty and hearty. Have you ever tried 갈비탕? 갈비탕 좋아해요? Let's say you are preparing food for a party. Somebody suggests 갈비탕 to offer to guests. 갈비탕 좋아요? Is 갈비탕 good? And you say 갈비탕 is good. In Korean? Yes. 갈비탕 좋아요. What about this? What? Party food. What? 갈비탕 for party food? 갈비탕 is not good. You wanna say what is not in Korean? 안. 갈비탕 안 좋아요. Or more naturally, 갈비탕 별로예요. Not really good. 별로예요. 별로예요. Not really good. 별로예요. 갈비탕 별로예요. 무슨 스포츠 좋아해요? No, you can actually hear my Korean words, huh? So your ears are more exposed to Korean vocabulary and expressions. Yeah, things are happening here, huh? 무슨 스포츠 좋아해요? 저는 축구 좋아해요. Let's put 을을. Which one? 구 doesn't have the last consonant, so you need 를. 축구를 좋아해요. Let's say you put 을 and pronounce it. 축구, 축구. It feels like your front teeth fell out. 축구 좋아해요. Unnatural, huh? So you say 축구를 좋아해요. Let's make swimming is good in Korean. Say I wanna lose weight and then you suggest some cardio exercise, swimming. So how do you say? Not really considering E or ka, just omit it. Yes, 수영 좋아요. Like swimming is good for something, right? 수영 좋아요. For 안 좋아해, you can also use the verb hate in Korean. 싫어해요. 싫, here is silent. 싫어해요. Real is linked to 이응 sound. 싫어해요. 저는 핑크 싫어해요. Finally, you can say what you like, what you don't like, what you hate, and something is good, something is not really good, all in Korean. I'm so proud of you. Keep on keeping on. And if you have any questions regarding Korean, feel free to ask me in the comments. I'd be so happy to help you out. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked this lesson, please hit the like button. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. 안녕!